Hi guys, today we're working against the clock. We've got to read these words and find the right word for the picture. We've got 10 seconds. Let's start reading. G, e, t, get, n, e, t, net. B, e, t, bet. B, e, g, beg. B, e, d, bed. J, a, b, jab. J, a, jam. A, b, fab. A, fan. G, et, get. V, et, vet. Z, it, zit. Z, ip, zip. Well done, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.